Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I am here with the From My Kitchen Recipe Mini Album. This was a peep show during my Ustream class yesterday, and everybody went wild over this project. This is a kit that I will be posting on my blog for sale. It comes with everything that you see here. Check out the fabulous handle on here. It's a rolling pin. This mini recipe album it's unlike any other. It stands up like in an easel fashion. So you will be able to read your recipe standing up like this. And I know this is an awkward view of the camera, but this part slips out and it sits to the back. And when you flip your pages, your mini album stands up just like that. Your mini recipe album stands up like this. And I hope you all can see this in the camera angle, but that's what you get, guys. So you will be able to flip through your recipes just like so. Pull out your recipe card, open it up, stick it back in the pocket so you can read your recipe. Just like that, guys. And this class, this is gonna be a class on Ustream for this. It's called From My Kitchen, and it is perfectly titled because I use the From My Kitchen Cricut cartridge, and that's where I got this orange pot here. The orange pot is totally inspired by one of my favorite chefs, Rachel Ray, so that's why I use the orange on the pot, and that pulls out there, and there's a little spot for added recipe notes or anything you want to put in there. You can stamp some journaling lines in there and go to town with your journaling. There is a tab for each section. You can have either beef, chicken, or fish recipes in here. This could be a dessert mini album, whatever you would like. These are how the pages fold out or turn over. And that's all there is to it, my friends. This is what your mini looks like. I'm going to show you what comes in the kit, because it's really fun items, guys. So this is it right here. There's your rolling pin. There are your charms. There's a gorgeous spoon and fork there, totally ornate, and a pan. And it's going to suspend from this bead assembly that you see right here. So let me take you through the kit, my friends. Here it is. The kit is a Cosmo kit. I can't talk today. A Cosmo Cricut paper line, and it's called Garden Variety. You're going to get the entire package of paper, okay? 12 by 12. You're going to need it. It has 57 pieces in here, including a sticker sheet. See, you all see the sticker sheet right here? You will get that. The entire paper pack. It's not going to be cut. No 6 by 6, no 12 by 12 in this one. You're going to get 10 recipe cards. You're going to get the tiny type alphabet, and you're going to need that to title your tabs. You're going to get this really cute, teapot, and the embellishments. Check out the pan. You're going to get a pan charm. You're going to get a gorgeous spoon and fork charm. Look at the ornate features on that spoon. Really fabulous, totally unique items that you can't find just anywhere, my friends. There's a super cute rolling pin. You're going to have two corn on the cobs, as you can see right there, and they're flat bottom. So those are going to be perfectly in your recipe album, and you're going to have 2 carrots. You are going to get the 2 large jump rings that allow you to suspend your rolling pin from the O-rings right here. So you're going to get those 2 jump rings, and you're going to get the rolling pin, my friends. So you get this rolling pin right here. And you're going to get the red O-wires that bind this book, okay? All of the paper, all of the chipboard. You're going to get the craft cardstock for your pages. And of course, all of the paper. So everything you see here, my friends, will come in the kit. If you do not have the cartridge, the Gypsy file will be available. The Gypsy file will be available on my blog for you all to download at no cost to you. If you do not have the cartridge and do not want to take advantage of the file, I will cut these pieces out for you. All you have to do is request it. There will be an extra charge for the Cricut cuts if you want them, but I will be glad to cut them out for you guys. I made this kit really affordable for everyone, so everyone can take advantage of it. So hop on over to my blog, www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com, and pick up your kit, because guys, this one's gonna fly out the door. Another fun Ustream class. This one is after all of my Halloween classes, so check out my schedule on my blog. This is Kathy from Paper Phenomenon, guys. Until next time.